about Halachos of Brachos.
Mm-hmm.
Hypothetically, I wonder what's the Bracha on pure olive oil? Since the main product of olive tree is the olive oil, should we say Hayes?
That's a very good question. So, I tell you what, it's not. No, today you guys have very difficult questions for me, and it's not so simple. So first of all, olive oil usually people don't use as separate food. Like olive oil, people use for cooking or in a salad or something. So like pure olive oil, I know that some people take for medicinal reasons, but it's actually it's not very healthy. So it must be balanced because I think if you like a little more, it's very detrimental for your stomach. Even though oil, what could be better? No, it's not true, right? Even virgin or pure virgin oil, right? So, but some people, as I know that they have to take as a medicine. So in this case, we always since people usually don't drink oil and medicine, and usually this olive oil does not have special taste. So we always suggest make a shechako, since it is liquid. We say shechako on something else, right? Besides the water, and then take this olive oil if needed as a medicine. But otherwise, people don't drink olive oil. Right? So detriment and right, the detriment, and not used as usually as a food, as a like a secondary to something.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.